So this is a little thing I 3D printed for these buck boost converters that they sell on Amazon. And this is the lm2596. So these are good for like if you want to drop the voltage to something from 12 volts to like 9 volts. I don't know how much current this one handles. Maybe not a lot. There's not really a heat sink ability on this. You kind of got it like there. But you adjust it right here. And it's pretty neat. Now, I think it'll boost the voltage up too, but I'm not 100% certain about that. And no, it just goes in like this, I think. And it gives you access to that. And you can just adjust it. You can put your wires through here. That's a support that's in there I need to remove, but you can run your wires behind the back of it. If you want to, you know, or you can zip tie this to something through there. So, and I think you can put this in either direction. Yeah. And it doesn't matter on this. So it's a nice little thing for that. If you just look up on Thingiverse and you look up this model number, lm2596, you'll find it. So, let me pull it up here. Thingiverse. Okay.
Kilo Charlie 1, Oscar Echo Golf. How are you this evening?
All right. Okay. I'm going to look up LM. What was the model again? 2596. 2596. 2596. Some people are using them on 3D printers and stuff too. There's a bunch of different ones. There's actually some other ones that are kind of cool. Guys are using them for all sorts of weird stuff. And that goes into the 3D printer. So you could use this to power like a Raspberry Pi or something, I think, probably. And this is just a different design. I kind of like this one a little bit better. Maybe I'll print one of these. Yeah, snap together one. Let's try this one. I'll just go ahead and download it. Anyway, it's really, we're really lucky that we have like this resource here where, like, you know, we can get these, because otherwise you'd have to design everything yourself that you wanted to 3D print, and you literally, you know, this isn't the one I did. These, you definitely want them vented. I really do believe you want them vented, so I would skip anything like this one. This is kind of neat. Oh, this is really cool. Look at that. Yeah, that's pretty neat. So guys really just, you know, spend a lot of time making stuff, and, you know, that's pretty cool. So you can get that, you know, like, I don't know where you get those parts, but they're available. So, really cool. The idea of this is great, but, like, it makes it subject to being bulky and possibly breaking. So you're really better to have a cord coming out of it than you are doing that. That looks cool, but it's not actually the best idea. And then here's a different one for one of the other kind. When the internet is slow today, dude. Come on. Open. For the XL6009, 4005, and the lm2596 2577. Okay, cool. See, look at, they got the cord going through there. The other one's zip tied. This is the one I printed from Blue Hanwha. So if you want to print the one I printed, you can do this one. I'd probably try a couple of them to tool this one. And then there's another enclosure for other types of things. Ender 3 case. There's just so much cool stuff. Something that you're using for an Ender 3. Interesting. Oh, that's kind of neat. Just a nice little thing for the board to sit on. Yeah, that's cool. I like it. Okay, so they're turning down the fan, which I don't know if that's a good idea or not. Okay, that's definitely cool. Look at this stuff, man. I wish I had a little bit more time to do this kind of stuff and really focus on it.